Wait, I'm not recording. I'm not recording yet.
I'm recording, you goddamn asshole.
One.
No, I'm keeping this in. Extra footage.
Alright, so what's up, guys? It's Two Noobs Gaming. I'm back with this massive dickhead, and we've got Sarah in the call, who's going to be listening in. So,
And Raven Peter. Oh, I was still in creative. I survived.
oh, I was still in creative as well, and I like fucking nice. Wow.
Same. I
Shame.
think so.
Whatever.
So, we made a special world, since all of us deleted by accident.
Dickhead! Sorry.
And now we're starting all over again. But this time, fucking music on my server.
Oh, beautiful music. Oh, let's turn on that Minecraft music. Oh, then
Beautiful. Stop fapping off.
Lovely music.
Oh, I'm impossible.
So earlier I had some sort of creative music world. It was like fucking created.
Created the world. They deleted all the rank.
And then I was like, do it.
And I was just pissing myself.
I was about to kill him.
I was, meanwhile, I was having trouble with my hard drive, just casually unplugging it, so.
Maybe that girl from the mini games came back from vacation.
Oh yeah, if you didn't notice, I have a different skin because my old skin went walkers into the recycle bin, and then walkers out the recycle bin into the I've just been deleted and they ain't coming back folder. So I had to do some epic James Bond shit and get my skin back. I haven't had time to update it though.
Yeah. Wow. How did you get that from? This probably will be a 30-minute recording. With pauses and such. Like, every 10 minutes I will... stop recording. But you need to tell me...
First I'll record a massive episode, who gives one?
Yeah, sorry. It will probably take 8 hours to render, but whatever.
Gives one is an episode. Who gives one?
You know what? Fuck you, sheep. Yeah.
Wow. What sheep? How do you think the sheep feels, man? How do you think the sheep feel?
Yeah, others are laughing at him.
He's got a wife and kids, bro! You what, zombie? You what? Get the fuck out of here, zombie!
Hey, that zombie has feelings too. He's punching me in the face. See?
Get out of here! I'm gonna die!
How do you think the zombie feel?
Zombie keeps sucking my nose.
No! It's a gang of black zombies.
Whoa! It's the gang of yellow zombies.
Zombies feel no pain.
Fuck off, mother truckers! No! No!
Where are you? Where are you?
I'm
Oh, tobacco!
We're gonna buckle! Zombie shit! He's got a sword! What? Oh wait, what? Sword wave?
Zombie has a sword.
Get out!
Are you sure it's not a shovel?
Get out! Get out!
Get
out, mate! Mate, get out, mate! Shut up, mate! Stop! Stop! No gangbang, please! Shut up! Get out! Fucking it is.
Like F8 in this and F1 in this shit, and they're not even bothered. Like, I don't give a shit.
Mate, I own this fucking server. Get out, or else. Fuck, it's more than that. I own this fucking server, see? What did you say? Yeah, you piece cat. Fucking god.
God.
I fucking got it myself. I swear to God, my crafting man. You just stop my crafting man. Oh, you dying, bro?
Oh my God.
So for everyone So did you know yet? I have my own channel now. It's connected to gaming.
On the channel page somewhere.
Yeah.
Page.
Somebody up Peter's butt, but whatever.
Yeah, Sarah's channel will also be in the description.
What?
She's just amazing like that.
Don't look at it.
It's amazing. Look at it.
It's horrible.
Beautiful.
No, it's
It will
horrible.
only explode your eyes. Don't worry about it.
Wow.
It's got
Skeleton,
2
you don't
videos
shoot me.
messed up.
Don't shoot me. Don't be a noob. Don't.
We are to use this game is obviously.
No.
Yeah, we'll think about renaming the channel, guys, and just opening it up as like a company. So instead of it being Toonu versus Gaming, just me and Rico.
Then it will be called Special Skeleton Face Gaming.
Yeah, we're just thinking about renaming it to the Noobs versus Gaming, so then we can get more people on board.
You can apply to join right now.
No, you can't.
But the chance
No, you
that Peter
can't.
or I am going to read it is very little because we are both lazy fucks and we're just like, meh. I got
And then-
wood!
Technically, I'm not
Well, I have
the one
like
at the
full
moment.
wood. I'm gonna change the wood pine.
They need wood. They need to make wood armor.
Pardon me. That would be amazing.
Oh,
Lovely.
it will be so bad. Like, it only defend half of a piece of armor, like the whole set.
Oh my god, the sun looks amazing in this texture pack.
There's not even a sun.
The moon, sorry.
Which text pack are you
guys.
using?
The NoobCraft.
So,
I want to show you something, guys, that my friend, well, I don't know if he's even my friend, but this guy Tom made. I just plonked down a jukebox.
I sent this to you. Remember?
What? No, the custom music disc.
That was. I made that.
No. He's got like Eminem and Dead
Oh,
Five and shit.
you have two.
He's got my I don't know if you can hear it. He's got my prank call on here as well.
Oh, the CD. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Well, nice one.
Bye.
I need to update my text pack up soon too. I need to add more sounds and such.
I actually
Yeah.
run smoother in this texture pack
It's
than any other
32.
texture pack. No, I mean like when
I'm
I'm
saving
recording.
you. I have a sword. Die.
Get that mother trucker!
I killed the mother trucker.
Good. So all these sheep. Wait, have you got a spare sword?
No. I'm gonna go in that mountain over there. With those two creepers being a creep.
Creeping. Maybe
Hey.
creeping.
I'm gonna use them a moment. If I die, you can't have my shit. See this?
Go
This
creepers,
mountain?
Kill
go!
him.
Kill me. Come on. Come on, attack me, bro. Don't kill him. They need to attack me, so they blast a hole in the wall and get free shit. See?
Free shit! Free shit! Make a house of dirt!
I'm going to do that right now.
No. Just where?
I'm safe. People can probably see
Just
shit
where?
right now. Peter, join me in my house of dirt.
Fuck! Spider!
Oh my god, he even left the game. He got scared. Oh, I have enough. Wooden pick. Picking as well. Peter, come closer to your mic. I'm getting a stone sword. Peter, come to my house. You get a wooden sword. Got my merch.
Yeah, the raping.
Hold on. I need to just sort out this bummer.
Okay, what was this?
Pussy.
Sword anyway. I killed them.
I have a stone sword right now.
Yeah.
I'm stoning.
Got wood! I've got wood!
I got two pickaxes. One pickaxe.
Herpa-derping.
Peter, come in my house.
I'm herpa-derping, hold on. I'm herpa-derping
I
again,
have
please.
shit for you. Free shit.
Free shit! Free
I
stew!
I maybe got apples.
I have enough wool to make
I have one rule.
beds, one for each.
I have one rule. I'm gonna rule your face off. Like, I will push this into your face and just kill you.
Give
Come
me your...
le-
Oops, I can't have members in my faction.
I'm gonna restart my recording for a second, Peter.
Okay. I'm just
You
gonna
too?
carry. No, I'm just gonna carry on.
Oh, she's American, that's normal.
Australian.
I'm not fucking American!
It's the same!
It's not the same.
No, it
Different side of the
isn't.
country. Oh, different side of the
Yes,
planet.
exactly.
Oh. I might go back to North default because this is fucking... I have 13, 45. Okay, this is normal for me.
I have 28, I have 30.
You should go back to where you came from.
Yeah, you Dutch man.
But I'm where I came from. I never moved!
I never moved.
Oh,
No,
yeah.
you came from your mum's room.
British. British. I'm part British.
Talk British, you.
Oh my god, no, that's my thing. Peter, I'm part British.
Peter.
Ew.
Peter, I'm part British.
Oh my
That sounds
god.
so
Oh my
dirty.
god, the pigs look so freaking derpy. Oh my god, the pigs are derpy!
What?
Derpy pigs! Derpy fucking pigs!
What?
Fucking derpy.
Oh, what? Peter, you okay? Because I don't... Oh my god, see those sheep. Peter. Peter.
Peter, settle down.
I think I need to go eat. I think I need to go get a drink.
No, you don't. Don't need-
I think I'm going to
Drink?
die. I don't.
God, that was one dirty pig.
Oh, neutrals. Oh my
This
god.
discretion is advised.
Killing spree!
Volume.
Do you have sounds on, Peter?
Yes, I have sounds on.
Same.
Sounds.
All with sounds on.
I might
I
go
don't-
and change the sounds of pigs, like, make them say something.
Kill it.
Little
Hey,
baby pig.
imagine you could change the sound of a pig instead of making it go oink, it could go duppy.
You can. You can.
You can.
Did you know?
Just get a voice of someone saying derp. And then just change the pig file and it'll go derp.
You can actually
derp.
give the pigs a skin face, didn't you know?
A what?
Did you watch the latest Skyrim's Minecraft thingy?
Oh, that's fine.
Yeah, but Sky is Sky.
But his pigs had like they said don't do that or something, and yeah, ran off and had Deadlock's skin face, the face of his skin on their hands. Just really
Oh.
for-
I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna get.
Cool.
Who do I
Whatever
hit?
you
Who do I
said.
hit? Who do I hit? I'm gonna get extra skin, head, and then put it on a freaking sheep, and then I can beef sheep in.
Yep.
sheeping.
I'll get Notch's head and put it on a sheep and this sheep. This fucking
This-
sheep.
Hey, Peter.
Yeah.
Remember I threw your head at a zombie pig?
Yeah, the fucking zombie pigman decided it would be a good idea to pick it up and stick it on.
It was a zombie Peter.
No, I actually want to see that. The zombie Peter. Really doesn't do
Yeah,
shit.
it was pretty cool. Like half his face was Peter's
Nah,
skin.
it probably isn't that dangerous. It doesn't do shit.
Just like the normal Peter then.
Yeah, it will be like, can be bothered, bro. Can be bothered.
Alright, I'm back here a second. I'm just gonna go get a drink. Unprofessional, but we'll get zombies.
Okay, I'm gonna be the professional one here and talk with Sarah. Sarah, or however you sucking say it. So what's your name?
Oh my god, what's my... You've kind
You don't
of
have
said
one.
it 50 times. It's Sarah.
Okay, welcome Sarah to whatever this is. I don't even know it myself. So tell me something about yourself.
I have 2 YouTube channels.
No, but there's time for that shit.
I like to play Minecraft.
On what server?
Peter's and yours and Hive.
Doesn't matter, only my server matters.
Both of yours.
Just pig.
Oh shit, that son of a bitch is back. Let me get my oh my god, my dog stole my coke.
No way.
It's on the other side of the room and I can be bothered to walk.
Wow.
Coke.
Wow, just wow.
Bitch. Stealing my stuff.
Oh my god, Peter, you got it into my head. Now I'm copying you.
Wow.
She always copies you.
But she wants to be like me.
Poor her.
Yeah, totally.
That's a horrible sickness. Being like Peter.
Wow. Yeah.
Hey,
I will miss for days.
I have playing style. We can get horses. Oh wait, no, this is actually loud. We still can get horses over here.
Oh, I just said smartest. Like, one of those name poems for Rico.
Right.
Rico, do you want to see what my skin looks like with a zombie head?
No. Don't spawn shit in, bro.
I didn't spawn in.
You come to the extreme hills.
Where is it?
PP.
Turn around.
Shit, that ugly thing. Holy shit, that is actually glitching to the top of your head. Like it's yeah, colliding.
Oh my
with it.
god.
Oh my god, that is fucking scary as fuck.
I know.
I'll be back.
Okay.
Oh my god, super back. We have over here a game crash almost. Hey, mine.
Okay, I got rid of it. Where have you gone? Oh, this looks like a beautiful place to build a house.
We're going to build a house.
No shit, Sherlock. I'm just gonna live in a fucking dirt hut for the rest of his days, aren't we?
We're going to build a
I'm
castle,
building a
bro.
house here.
We're going to build a whole city. Oh, and
Well, for a
everyone,
start, we need a fucking crafting bench.
if you ever want to play with us, just comment in the description below. I will give the server IP out and where you play always live. And then, yeah, you might be able to come with us.
Mickey's on my server.
So, wow, he just ate your grass. I hate it how sheep can eat. I hate how sheep can eat grass right now. Like, you finally have one grass block and then you just eat it.
Oh, I remember on Skyblock when it was taking us forever.
Oh yeah, remember when we had one... I once had one grass block. I was like, oh yes, I finally have a grass block because I was enchanting for a long while.
And the sheep was eating it.
Yes, yeah, he did. Actually did. It was just after the update. And the sheep began to do that. I was like, much?
You fucker.
I really rage quit Minecraft for a week. And I was like, I'm too bored. And got back.
And then he came back.
So, we might
And
do
then that's
even
when we built the boss island.
Peter.
Oh, that reminds me, I need to get Skyblock on my server.
Oh my god, and we will do another Skyblock series.
Yeah, guys, on my server, we've got,
Don't
in fact,
advertise. Oh yeah. Why are you
that's on
leaving?
server. Wait, I'm just showing them what I've been doing.
This is survival, not showing your fucking server off.
It is now.
Fucking ass. Oh, my parents are home. Well, this is gonna be fun.
I'm back. I feel
Oh
like
shit, no. I'm gonna get my coke, moment. I'm gonna be a professional like you. Moment.
Yep.
Go catch your coke.
Where's the hide and seek arena? Oh, there it is.
Peter, watch your Dutch.
What?
Watch your Dutch.
Okay. Yeah, guys, this is what we've been working on. It's a hide and seek arena. Turn off the
Search
camera.
dick. They
It's
stole
actually alright. We stole Rico's little Japanese hut. I built that. That's why it's looking odd and shit. That's
I will come
how
and help him
It
later.
looks shit. It looks shit. It looks
Yeah.
shit.
Comment, guys. Comment if it's beautiful or if it's beautiful. That's XT Mercy's house, which we
Shit.
stole from the plot world, which is actually
Shit.
for me. And then this is Red Gogga's fucking house, full of random fucking shit. Okay, just disconnect now. So yeah, if you ever want to play with us, we'll either be on Mystaria or my server. Both IPs will be in the description.
But Mystaria is way better. It's just survival and PvP. And mobile. With very cool plugins and yeah. Staff that do treat you right, otherwise they will have me after them. Remember Peter?
What?
When you tried to treat someone like a bitch, I just came up for him and just bam, stab you. And that happened yesterday.
Don't like it.
I don't like you either. So that's why we're friends.
Yep.
Best friendship ever.
Yeah.
No. Peter.
Oh, I've just got an achievement! Fuck yeah, Mom, I got an achievement!
I got all our achievements already. I seriously have them all. Let's see. Everyone see my achievement. Oh, uptime my.
Piss off talking to me, mate. I don't know you.
Wow, I really got everything, and this was all legit. Oh, except the end. That's my mission. I need to get to the end. Then I have everything.
Wait, why did I just make it? Oh wait, I need to put
Hey Peter, I see you.
Oh my god, you sound pervish.
Yeah, it's meant. Oh my god.
You don't
Can't use the wood. I can't use the wooden axe.
Here, use my stone axe.
If I hit a tree, it's like first position set.
First position set. What do you want to do? Get me position.
Wow.
Wow.
Just wow.
Wow.
She's just jealous. Because she
She's
can
Just wow, I love you
She's-
too, just wow.
Just wow.
just Sarah, fucking join the server, otherwise I will kill you.
She's on an iPad or a phone, I think.
Oh,
Actually,
well, fancy you.
No advertisements. There's other phone providers available.
Which are way better.
Some of the time.
no.
My phone broke and I did F all to it.
And you don't have a phone.
No. You don't
What
even need a
age?
phone.
What
Wow.
age did you get a phone, Peter?
Join the server, please.
9.
Peter,
9.
Yeah.
Peter, join the server,
I got mine
please.
when I was 10.
Peter,
Thanks.
repeat to me.
I need mine though. I actually do need mine.
Peter,
So do I. My mum was gonna get one when I go to college. We're trying to fix my Windows phone. If we can't fix this then I'm just gonna get like fucking
Peter,
either
I need
iPhone
one
3.
to catch the bus home.
Peter.
What?
Do says spawn point. Now if you die we will spawn here. Must we lose our home every time. No, I don't feel like searching for it all the time. Peter,
Been attacked by a zombie.
you like that zombie. How was a zombie attack?
I'm about to stick my head out this window and go, mate, do you mind? I'm recording a video here. He's just like casually shouting, hey! Like that.
I will pay you to do that. I will pay you to do that.
I would. I don't give one money. I've done it before.
Do it then.
He's gone now. He's shut up. He's shut up now. I've said that. He's probably heard me. So.
He probably wants to be in your episode.
Yeah, he's probably gonna watch it tonight or something. Hang on, I'm just gonna turn the music down a bit.
I'm gonna put it on faithful, so.
I can hear the Minecraft music.
Yeah, it's probably
Wow,
from
my
Mike.
Minecraft just, I think, crashed. Putting it
You
on
are
fa-
just stood there.
I'm putting it on faithful.
Sucker.
You're a sucker.
No, I'm not.
You
My
just
Minecraft
sucked
didn't
something.
crash.
So, everyone, come and stare at my Minecraft crashing all the time. Because I put
Meanwhile,
faithful
I'm just
on.
carrying on building, but you know. Time to mine! Get your name
Wow.
upgrade.
Where's my... That was a fucking wood
My
pole.
Minecraft's never crashed.
That was a
Mine-
fucking wood pole over here. Peter, did you take it down?
I didn't take any wood pole down. Did you even place a wood pole
I
down?
did.
I didn't see no wood pole.
Oh, I got my logs back. It's all okay now.
Fucking idiot. Yeah, but you didn't even place a wood pole.
I did. You watched my recording.
I will watch your recording, mate. If I get the time and effort
You
to
talk.
watch your recording,
You
I will.
talk to my lawyer.
You don't have a lawyer.
Oh, you don't say.
I do.
I have 7. Shut your face.
I have your mom.
Fuck you.
Ow! Skeleton, that's my fucking eye.
If you could mind the language, please.
Ow! He shot me in the elbow.
Yeah.
He shot, and in the knee, in the knee. He shot me. Oh no, in the dick.
He used to be a server owner, so he took an arrow to the knee.
By the way, I customized some shit in this texture pack, so. And I'm not going to watch my language because I'm not going to bleep everything out.
Just try and keep it on a minimal, because I don't want to be getting emails from parents like saying, "My son watches your YouTube channel, and you've been saying bad words, and no he's
He only said no pad.
The Asian voice.
What?
The little kid voice, the butcher.
Hello, I've been watching your series on YouTube, and now I picked up some bad words, and I smacked my ball with a frying pan yesterday, and I just like to say, I don't find you very fucking acceptable. You fucking arsehole.
Yeah, Peter, what's your language?
Yeah,
I'm doing an example of the kid.
You're that scared. You're just like it.
I picked all my words up to the internet.
Oh, it's even.
No. Get creeper, bad creeper, bad.
Actually, my mom taught me most of the words.
Oh wow, this is a prime moment as well. No one's on the server. Did you like wireless this?
No.
Oh,
I
no one's
just
casually on.
No, I just banned everyone.
Really?
Fuck my life. I have 141 levels and I didn't lose them because of that.
I have 42.
Well, I fought the Ender Dragon 3 times.
Oh.
I used the whole.
I have beep. Oh,
Beep. Hey Peter, your beep is beeping.
Beep a deep. Boop a doop doop.
I
Peter,
can always make it a D
What?
instead of B.
you see how much beeps I give?
I don't see how much beeps you give.
Please do
Because I
message
gave them.
Africa.
Hey, that creeper gave me a mine thingy. Thank you, creeper. Dick. I mean beep. Whoops.
Beep.
Beep head.
Beep.
Oh, that's funny.
You fail. You fail. I could probably even
You-
do that.
You beep a pal. Oh,
You pile of beeping beep.
what?
You're a pile
You
of beep.
pile of beepity beep beep beep.
Beepity beep beep boop.
Beep.
Hey, sheep.
If I rephrase that, there was actual non-swear word in that beepity beep beep beep.
Hey, see that sheep beeping around? He's having a beeping time. He's joking. He's joking.
The owner of Two Noobs is going down!
What?
The owner of Two Noobs is going down. He's joking.
Aw, he didn't die. But yet
If I die,
You're so mean!
if I die, my company goes to Sarah anyway.
God damn it. Damn.
Don't get it, mate.
Quickly get that potion out of your drink.
Quickly kill Sarah and me.
Then it goes to me because I
I'm
thought
not smart enough. I'm too smart to die.
3 seconds later just shooting in the face.
Gives a dip.
Nah, that's not gonna work.
Okay, guys, we're coming up to the 30-minute.
Just think, Rico.
We hope you enjoyed the first episode of the Two Noobs.
How much minutes?
30 minutes.
Okay, I'm gonna cut here.
We hope you enjoyed the first episode of the Two Noobs Let's Play featuring special guest Sarah.
Guest.
Wow. Stay tuned for more, and we'll see you next time. Peace.
Hey, wait. Still
Bye.
recording.
29:59.
What do I need to say? Well,
Bye.
I had
You say I'm a retard.
I'm a
No.
derp.
Well, I will stop recording because this dickhead stopped recording, and now yeah, I
beep.
probably
I'm
will.
awesome.
I will probably go beeping at them soon because
Beep
retards.
beep 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 beep.
Should you beep? Thanks to
Beep.
talk
No,
over
I
me.
will not shut my beep.
Shut your beeping face.
I probably will
I
record
don't like to be walking on.
episode 3 soon.
I love you.
So
Oh, I love
peace
you
out.
too.